Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to download Facebook videos and stories on Android or iPhones without using any third-party applications. Facebook and YouTube are the two most used video platforms across the globe. However, YouTube lets you download the video, though not in the gallery, but still you will be able to see this downloaded video while you are in offline mode. On the other hand, Facebook does not embrace download features. Though Facebook lets you save the video, but you won't be able to see them while you are away from the internet. So what if you want to download Facebook videos and stories to see them while you are in offline mode? Well, using some tricks, you will be able to download any Facebook videos and stories quite easily. That's how it is. Here I will share two tricks to download Facebook videos and stories. Also, these tricks are same for both Android and iPhones. To download Facebook videos and stories, firstly you have to stop the auto in-app redirection so that whenever you open Facebook on your phone browsers, it won't be able to redirect automatically to the Facebook applications. For this, open Facebook application on your phone and head towards the three line at the top of the right corner. Tap on settings and privacy and then tap on settings and go to media and scroll below and then tap on the checkbox beside the links open externally. Now close the Facebook application and go back. Now again open the Facebook application on your phone and then play the video that you want to download. Now here tap on the share option and then tap on the copy link to copy the link of this video. Then go back and open the Chrome browser on your phone. Then paste the link on the address bar of the browser and then open it. Once the link is opened, long tap on the video. The option for downloading this video will pop up. Now tap on this option to download this video. If you don't use Facebook application, you can be able to download Facebook video by opening Facebook inside the Chrome browser. So here I open Facebook inside the Chrome browser and then long tap of the video that I want to download. So here you will see the download video option. So I have to tap on it to download this video. Now to download Facebook stories, simply play the story and long tap on it in order to download it. Well, this trick only works on the latest version of Chrome, Firefox and Safari browser. If this trick is not work on your device, you can follow the next trick. In this trick, we are going to use a website to download Facebook videos. For this, we need to get the URL of the Facebook video. To get this link, open Facebook application on your phone and then play the video that you want to download. Here, tap on the share option and then tap on the copy link to copy the link of these videos. Now go back and open the Chrome browser on your phone and then open this website. The link of this website will be given in the description box. Now paste the link that you copied previously on the box and then tap on the download. Here you will see two options. The first one is download video in normal quality and the second one is download video in HD quality. So choose whatever you want. For now I am going to download this video in normal quality. And here you have to tap these three dots and then tap on this download option to download this video. That's it for this video. Does this video help you? Please comment below, and finally don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel for more videos like this.